Hey guys, so today we are making some fried shrimp using a homemade batter, and we're also going to be making some beef and chicken stir fry. Now with stir fry you can use whatever veggies that you like. That's the best part about stir fry. And I'm going to also have like a sauce that I purchased from the store. We want to make this recipe as quick and easy as possible. So I have my pan that I am adding some olive oil as well as some steak. Now this steak is actually a ribeye steak. I sliced it up, slicing it against the grain. So basically just the opposite direction of where you're seeing the grain. And I'm adding this pollo asado from Spanglish Asadero. I'm adding this to my chicken breast that I've also diced up. Now I use that same seasoning on the steak too, except for the pollo I'm using carne asada seasoning. If you want to check out my Amazon influencer page, you can find the seasonings there. So just cooking this until it's brown and it's done. And the next thing I'm going to be doing is prepping for my shrimp. Now the shrimp is a super easy recipe too, so all you're gonna do is add like your favorite all-purpose seasoning. I'm using that Key West Spice Company seasoning. That's also on my Amazon page too if you want to check it out. But you can also use an Old Bay too, or like garlic, salt, pepper, things of that nature. So you're gonna mix that into your flour because you want to make sure that is seasoning. Then you're gonna also add some seasoning to your shrimp. So I'm using the Island barbecue flavor from this particular brand. And again, you can add some Old Bay, some of that Tony's to it, whatever seasonings you have in there that you like as your favorite seafood seasoning. Then I'm going to add in 1 egg that I've beaten and just mix that all up. I'm going to next add that shrimp to that flour that I had earlier. I'm going to shake it up so that all the pieces are coated evenly. And in the meantime, while I'm getting that done, I do have some cooking oil on the stove that I'm going to be using to fry this shrimp. Now the cooking oil that I use is canola oil. For me, it's just a little bit healthier in regards to the cholesterol, and it's less expensive than using peanut oil. However, you can use peanut oil, you can use vegetable oil. For those who like to use lard, you can do that too, but I'm using canola oil. So while that's getting hot, I'm going to be frying this shrimp in batches. So I have like approximately maybe 20 to 30 shrimp here, and I'm just going to cook those in batches. Now with everything that I do when I'm in the kitchen, I'm always making enough for me and the hubbies to have for leftovers. So once the shrimp has cooked and we've eaten it for the first day, the second day I'm going to heat it up in the air fryer. So here is the shrimp, and it's really delicious, lots of flavor. You can add your favorite cocktail sauce or hot sauce or whatever to use when you're eating your shrimp. So let's get back to the stir fry. So my chicken is basically done. I'm going to add that steak back in there, and again that's the ribeye steak, so it's nice and tender. And I'm going to add my veggies. Now the veggies that I'm using is a mix of some carrots that I had got from the store. They're like shredded carrots. I have some bell peppers as well as some mushrooms. You may want to put some water chestnuts or some bok choy or some cabbage. Even spinach. So you can make your stir fry how you want it. Just add a nice veggie to it. And then the next thing I'm going to be doing is adding a little minced garlic, and I'm going to add in one of my favorite brands of Asian sauces. So I like to use the brand the House of Tsang. So in Mandarin it's Tsang, but in English we are saying Tsang. So that is the brand. You may see that in some of your grocery stores, like in Chicagoland area, you'll find it in Pete's Fresh Market, Mariano's, as well as Jewel Osco. So maybe like in the South, you may find it at Publix, or you can also, of course, go online and you will find it. They have like different types of sauces, like the classic, Szechuan, all the things. To make this a little bit more spicier, I'm adding some red pepper flakes, and on the side I'm going to be making some noodles. I'm using some fettuccine noodles. You can do this with fettuccine as well as spaghetti noodles, or you can just use rice, some jasmine rice. If you are cooking it with rice, make sure you rinse off your rice before you cook it. So that's just a tip. So yeah, I'm using some of this lemongrass sea salt. Somebody gave me that as a gift. People give me like foodie type gifts all the time. I love it. I'm also adding some parsley to this just to add a little color to it. Mixing it up, adding it to a bowl, and I will have my stir fry ready. So yeah, folks, this was a super easy meal to make during the weeknight. You can also make it on the weekends. And I hope you all liked what I cooked in the kitchen today. I will see you all next time. So friends, if you're watching this on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, shout out to everyone who has subscribed to my channel, or maybe you're following me on one of those social media platforms. Thank you so much for coming back and cooking with me again. If you are new here, my name is Angela, and this is my account Plus Size in Chicago, where I make a lot of easy to cook comfort food meals. You'll also see me reviewing different restaurants in the greater Chicagoland area, or maybe showing you some places I ate while on vacation. Be sure to subscribe or follow me. Also leave a comment and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you guys next time.